What if the ultimate youth motocross bike just got even better? The 2026 Kawasaki KX85 might be exactly what young riders have been waiting for. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're breaking down everything you need to know about the 2026 Kawasaki KX85, a machine built to help young competitors dominate the track. Design. Starting with design, Kawasaki has refined the KX85's aggressive styling. The slim, race-inspired bodywork looks sharp and allows riders to move freely during intense races. Ergonomics have been optimized for growing riders with balanced seat height and handlebar positioning that promotes confidence and control on every lap. Performance. Under that sleek exterior sits an 84cc two-stroke engine delivering punchy, responsive power. The liquid-cooled power plant provides smooth acceleration through the rev range, making it manageable for intermediate riders while offering enough thrill for experienced competitors. The 6-speed transmission shifts crisply, and the suspension setup handles jumps and rough terrain impressively well. Features and technology. Kawasaki hasn't overlooked the details. Pedal disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power in all conditions. The lightweight frame contributes to nimble handling, while updated graphics give the bike a fresh, modern appearance. Conclusion. The 2026 KX85 remains a top choice for aspiring motocross champions. If this review helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. Know someone searching for a youth motocross bike? Share this video with them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.